Hello everyone, so today I'm going to fit the new K&N filter for my Figo, which is like high performance. Yeah, it's written like that. So this is the air filter box which we have to remove with 4 screws. The Allen key size 3. So this is the K&N filter which I bought from Fly BSP. So here is the official unboxing of K&N filter. Sorry, I forgot to mention the part number. It is 332955 for Ford Figo 1.2 Petrol. So yeah, this is the filter. Yeah, it looks good actually. Yeah, let's fit it. You can see here's the old filter. So yes, it's pretty much clean. Okay, now let's put on the K&N filter. Yes, let's screw it up. Yes. I'm inside the car. Let's start her up. Let's rev her a bit. No noticeable difference in sound. Let's check out the performance if anything has changed. Okay. So I tried to get the car out, but unfortunately I had hell lot of traffic here, so I had to come back. So I'll do one thing. In next video I'll review the performance of this air filter. For now what I can tell you is like, yeah, acceleration has increased a bit, like in low end RPMs. Yeah, that's it. See you in next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.